Put it in the basket. Yay! Good girl. Come this way. Look. Taylor, look. Look at this. Put it in the basket. Yay! There's another one, I think. Oh. See? Put it in the basket. Good girl. Yay! See what you'll find. What's behind the dresser? Oh, look! No, no. Thank you. No, an egg. Go put it in your basket. Want to open this one? Hold on to the basket. Want to see? Come on, Mommy will show you. Well, let go of the basket. Or not. Look! Look! Say cheese. Okay. Are you a bunny? What's the bunny say? What does the bunny say? No. Just look.
What's this?
Oh.
Taylor, this one right here.
B. Is that a ball?
The ball. There's the egg. Put it in the basket. Oh, nope. You put them in the basket? Good girl. Gotta get it. Nothing gets her excited like chocolate eggs. Look, 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 you missed one.
I'm not easy. Bye. It's a sausage.
Okay. Oh. Good girl. Put it in the basket.
Oh no. Good.
Yay! Look, there's another present. Look. Taylor. Yeah. For you, granddaughter, may this day be filled with blessings as angels watch above you. May you be as happy as you make the ones who love you. Happy Easter, love Nana and Poppy. What's that? Do you want to open it?
Cheese.